Welcome back to Mossy Oak Farms. It's been raining for 3 weeks straight, and the fire pit area has turned into a huge jungle. I've got the grandkids coming over for the 4th of July, so I've got a deadline to get this cleared. But before I can even start, I'm already having a hard time getting this 3-point shaft to cooperate. I know this setup isn't perfect. I'm actually missing a few parts, but for $275, I couldn't pass it up. The gearbox is in great shape, even if the deck is full of pinholes I need to patch. I want to get this under cover soon because the shafts are a total pain if they seize up. Since I'm still learning the ropes with this machine, drop a comment below if you see any missing parts or have safety tips for me. Feedback is a huge help. You might remember this area. It's where I removed 30 stumps with the MechMaxx stump grinder. I've got a video of that if you want to see how it went. My original plan was to use a zero turn mower over here, but I definitely missed a few stumps. Rather than risking my mower, I am bringing out the bush out to save my equipment. If you're enjoying the progress, don't forget to subscribe and follow along with the rest of the cleanup. It took some work, but the area is finally starting to look like a backyard again. Not bad for a $275 investment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to see what we tackle next on the farm.